Under settings, we have merchant account. The merchant account deals with credit card processing, which basically allows you to accept credit cards online. You have two choices here. One of them is to use a Purple Passes merchant account, or you can use your own merchant account. If you use our merchant account, all the money goes to us and we'll issue the money after the event occurs. It is the easiest, fastest, and most common setup for most events. Since the money goes to us, we also deal with the chargebacks that may be received. If the promoter has their own merchant account, they can set it up in Purple Pass. They can use any merchant account they want, however we do require that they use Authorize.net as their gateway. The disadvantage to using your own merchant account is that there are monthly fees associated with the merchant account and Authorize.net account. The huge advantage is that all the money from ticket sales will go directly to the promoter as tickets are sold, rather than going to us and being held until the event occurs. This is a major perk for promoters since it helps with cash flow and help pay for expenses with money already collected for the event.